Okay, class, we're now in our penmanship class for Thursday, April 16th, and we're on lesson 116. So I need you to take out a sheet of paper or your journal if you have your journal, and we're going to write on lesson 116. And what we're going to write about, you can go ahead and date your paper, put your name on it, date it, and put lesson 116. Okay, after you do that, the objective of this lesson is to apply creative ability to write a dated journal entry. You should know how to write that journal entry now. We've been doing this for a while and it only gets better. And you're going to be properly forming a paragraph. And you know that you indent the very first sentence of your paragraph is indented. Okay, and if you have your writing with phonics book that I left at the school today, you can write on page 187. If you do not, just use a sheet of paper, it's fine, and just keep it together. All right, and you can also put page 187 on there. So it's lesson 116, page 187. Okay, so when we write a journal entry, you would include the following things: the date, the important things that happened in the last few days. That's what you're going to write about. And why those things are important. You want to write about why they are important. I might say in my journal entry, I planted a garden on Friday. And I planted the garden because I really like to plant flowers. And now I have added vegetables and some herbs, some garden herbs that I can use in my food. I will cook with my herbs because it makes the food taste good. That is why I planted a garden. And that's the end of the paragraph. It's just a few sentences. If you would put, normally we say 3 to 5 sentences, but the more the better. You can write 2 paragraphs and you must start the second paragraph, or you can write 3 paragraphs, how many ever paragraphs you want to write. But make sure that each one has 3 to 5 or 6 sentences, and your sentences should start with a capital letter and they should have punctuation at the end. Okay, want to make sure that you put a comma in a series of words. If you're saying the tree was tall, comma, rough, comma, and shady, and then you would put a period, okay, at the end, but you put commas to separate those words. Okay, so whatever you want to write about is fine. It's your journal and your journal entry. So you just want to make it colorful and interesting. So you want to discuss something that happened over the past few days. And I want you to use your best penmanship. And you want to indent the first line, like I said before, but remember what to include by using the clues. Remember the clues: when, what, and why. You want to answer the question when. I did this in the last few days, or on Monday, I went to the store. Okay. And then you want to say what. What is, I went to the store to buy grocery. We needed more food. Okay. And then why? I just answered why, because we needed more food, because we need to cook dinner today. That could be the answer to why. So it's your journal entry. So make it colorful and do your best. Use your best penmanship. This is a penmanship class, so you're not allowed to print. You are using cursive, your best cursive writing. Okay, and I would like to see some of your entries. All right, that is